Hello grade 9s, we are busy with activity 19 and the general ledger cost of sales account, the cost of sales T account. Okay, cost of sales is an expense account and it's also owner's equity. A cost will normally decrease your owner's equity and it decreases on the debit side. That's why we see the amounts on the debit side over here of cost of sales. Okay, what goes together with cost of sales? The cost of something that we are selling. What are we selling? Trading inventory, and another name for it is trading stock. Okay, that's what we're selling. That's why these two accounts works together. Remember, we always have a debit account and a credit account. Okay, so cost of sales in this case will be debited. So we see the amounts on the left hand side. The other account that goes together with cost of sales is then trading inventory, because it's a trading inventory that we bought that cost us something and then we sold those items in the business to make a profit. Okay, so where do we get it? We get it in the DJ and the CRJ, the cost of sales account. Why do we get it there? It's because we sold some of the items for cash and we received money in the CRJ. We recorded it there. And some of the other goods that we sold on credit to people who will only pay me later, and that's why it's in the DJ. Okay, so finding the information, I have to go and look in the DJ, and I'm going to look for cost of sales. And there you will see cost of sales account. And why is it in the debit side? Because it's an expense and it decreases my owner's equity. The other account that therefore will be credited is trading stock or trading inventory. Okay, and if you see it below the line, it means that if you take it to the top of the line, okay, if you take the trading inventory, which is now below the T account, if you want to get it to the top, I'm taking it there to the top, and you will see at the top trading inventory or trading stock. And then the amount is therefore the 23,000 is on the credit side. So trading inventory is credited with 23,000. Why? Because we are selling the trading inventory. My trading inventory decreases. And my cost of sales, it's a cost to originally have bought the trading stock. It made the money of the business less because it cost us money to buy that trading inventory. Okay, so if you see it below the line, it means that account is actually a credit, the credit account. And the one at the top is the one that we look at. And if the amount is on the left-hand side, then cost of sales is debited. But that account standing next to the amount is not something that's debited, it's below the line. So normally, if you want it above the line, then this 23,000 must go to the credit or right hand side. So trading inventory is therefore credited because assets decrease on the credit side and you are selling this trading inventory. That's why you credit the trading inventory and then you debit the cost of sales. Okay, so these trading inventory coming from the DJ, right, that 23,000 over there, that trading inventory or that 23,000 or for cost of sales will be debited. Okay, and then there's an amount coming, 16,000 coming from the CRJ. So you look for cost of sales. Okay, you look for cost of sales in the CRJ, and there you get the 16,361. Again, cost of sales is debited because it's normally an expense. Okay, so there we debit it with 16,000 Rand. And then we've got 40,000 Rand on the debit side for cost of sales. Now, there's one other place where we see cost of sales, and that is normally in the DAJ. Okay, you also see cost of sales. Why is it credited here? Because it's the opposite of the DJ. In the DJ we are selling the trading stock, and in the DAJ we normally get trading stock back. But in this case, there was no trading stock that was brought back. It was just an amount on the invoice that was too much. So there's nothing under cost of sales here. So therefore, normally we would have taken it to the credit side of the cost of sales account over there. But we don't do it. We won't say DAJ there because it's only a 0. So it's no need to put it in there. Okay, so that was the cost of sales account in the for activity 19.